Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Honey at the rate of Satya's Cube. How are you all? We are so fine. We are not doing videos because we went to a marriage. Sorry for the delay. We will try to upload the videos continuously. So please support to our channel. If anyone is seeing our channel newly, so please subscribe to our channel. Today's hairstyle is very simple and easy. If I am seeing means it is easy for me also to wear. Just for kidding. It is really very easy and beautiful. Please try the hairstyle. If you try it means please share your opinion with us in the comment box. So the final look is this one, guys. If you tried means please send your opinion in comment box. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment and please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.